Hello there, welcome to my channel. Now, as today's video title says, I'll be doing me some crochet braids today. Yes, I already started, so rather in this video I'll be finishing the crochet braids I already started. And the hair I'm using today is my favorite crochet loose crochet hair, the Kima Braid Ocean Wave. Yeah, Kima Braid Ocean Wave. Now today's color is slate. Now, fun fact, this is one of 3 fun colors I bought in the summer of, I believe, 2019. I believe it was 2019, if not 2018. There were 3 colors that I bought and they got me all hyped then. I got a color slate, I got a color midnight, and I got a color onyx. I already used onyx and midnight. I think one of them was done last year, the other was the year before. And I was like, looking through the garage, I need to get my hair done. Like, just for like 2 weeks I need to look like, different. I've been looking super boring in the past few months, like all black hair, hardly any highlights. I need something like boom boom boom. Then I remember what I mean. I still got my slate in there, so this is slate. Now I've got all daylight right now, no light, so this is the actual color. And the sun just went down on me. Thank you, sun. Kima Braid Ocean Wave color slate. As you can see, I started. I'm almost done. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4 cornrows left. This is the hair straight out of the pack. This is what it looks like. See, only that the one on my head now is been cut in half. My install, of course, I always cut this hair in half. Oh yes, this maintenance guys, they like, oh lord, look at that noise. Okay, so where was I? This is the third one I'm installing. This is the color slate. I've used the Kima Ocean Wave countless times. I mean, the Kima Ocean Wave in itself, there's been a bunch of dupes which I've also used. That's the Fruitress Niagara. I've used that too because I just love, this is my favorite loose crochet hair look. Like, see the way it just flows, and look at me looking like a fake version of Stone. Right, I didn't just say that. So let me just get started already. It's my day off, but I don't plan on spending all of today getting my hair done. I've got things to do. In about 2 hours I gotta go pick up my baby from school, and pretty much let's get started. Now, if you're familiar with the Kima Ocean Wave, I was gonna mention something. This color, like, this is the third one. These fun vibrant colors, the texture is kind of different. The texture is way different, like, because the one reason why I love the Ocean Wave is that if you install it, it really does feel like your natural hair. Like, you what's the word, you blew out your natural hair, and just like I did some roller sets, and you got this nice natural looking waves. But these colored ones, these bright colored ones, slate, onyx, and midnight, they have a more synthetic feel to them. Like, of course it's synthetic hair, but these ones, they really do feel they feel more plastic, like super crunchy. If you can get the sound, I don't know. Yeah, you know that not soft plastic synthetic thing, but it's okay so long as the hair is cute, the color is vibrant. That's what's all attracted me to the to the hair to begin with. Like, these colors, I gotta have this color. So I just cut this one in half. I already have 2 bags on my head. I usually wear between 2 bags and 3 bags, like, depending on how full I want it to be. If you don't want it really full, 2 bags is fine. Okay, 2 bags now. Any more than 3 bags to be really full. But I only have 3 bags, so that's what I'll be working with. So I just cut my 3rd bag in half, and I might just show you what I've been doing. Peace. Now for the front, I'm using bigger pieces because I just want it to be like that full. So okay, let me see. Let me do this the what's called the invisible knots, just the way I do it for the illusion crochet. But I will not be doing an illusion crochet with this one because this hair seems like it's gonna be hard to tweeze, so I won't bother. So what I did, both sides, tie the first knot 1. That's 1. I'm tying 2 knots. Tie a second knot 2. Now that that's been tied, I take my latch hook again. Okay, latch hook again. Go under the cornrow. Take one of the ends, pull it in, and pull out. Did I get that right? Oh, I really need to look in the mirror. Okay, yeah, that's the mirror. Yep. Then take the latch hook under the cornrow on the other side again. Pick the other end in, pull out, and that's what I'm saying. Oof. It says like Where you get my gist though? See now, I've got the two sides hanging on both sides of the cornrow, and the knot is hidden in between. Let me do that again. Now what I'm showing now is not your average invisible knot crochet. This is what you do when you're trying to do the illusion thing, where you have to tease the air when you're done. I don't know if I'll be trying to tease this, but let's just see how it looks when I'm done. Latch hook goes under the cornrow. Okay, yeah, pull it out all the way. 1, 2, tie my first knot, 1, tie your second knot, 2. Okay, I take the latch hook under the cornrow again, pull out one end. Hold on, I gotta hook that in, latch it in good, pull it out from that side. That's one end out. Then the latch hook goes under the braid in the opposite direction now. Okay, and I put the other one in, close it and pull out, and see, there you go. Now see on the see, and that's just how I'm gonna finish this up, so keep watching. Now this is how much progress I've made. I've got a few more pieces to stick in the front, so I was like, let me just come finish up on camera. Latch hook goes under the braid, pull it out, first knot, second knot, then latch hook goes under the braid again, pull out one end, lift that here, latch hook goes under the braid again, same braid, opposite direction, pull out the other end, put, okay, I don't do growth with my left hand. Okay, pull out and say, let's push that back, latch hook goes in, first knot, second knot, as it's where now I do have about 2 bags and a half, a little less than 2 bags and a half in my hair. Now this is half a bag remaining. There's nowhere to jam this in, so I guess I will not be using this, probably going in the trash. Now that the hair is all in the way I want, let me see. I really do love this hair, but something I was also going to add is that because of the texture of this hair, with it being all plasticky, the knots are most likely going to slip. I remember I've had this twice in my head. Yes, the knots are going to be slipping, so I don't expect these to last for as long as the black ones will last. But anyways, I only plan on keeping this for 2 weeks exactly, because I'll be going on vacation at the end of the month, and I do have a style in mind that I want to wear for vacation. So that's between now and then. I just want to keep this on my head, and then when it's time for vacation, I'll get my actual vacation. So now that this is all in, let me just throw in some most curls. Most actually, then I think, should I turn the light on? Let me see. Awkward. Let me see. This is weird because the slide is just beside me, not in front of me, but let's just see how it goes. Oh, this doesn't look good. Let me cut it out. Okay, so some curls mousse. Some more for the back. Just keep glancing at the clock. I have some errands I want to run quickly before I go grab my child. Then I brush. There's barely any sunshine outside, so it's kind of, just pardon the lighting. I honestly cannot stand a lot of light in my face for long. That's why I usually prefer to stand in front of the mirror. I'm in front of the window when I'm getting my hair done. Okay. Okay. Now see what I was saying about the part. Now this is my cean comb. Assuming this texture was good enough, let's see if it's up. Just a little. Yeah, you can't tease a lot of this. You can just do minimal teasing. Let me see. Actually, nope. Let me just leave it before I make a big mess on my head. So, you know, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. So, I'm just gonna grab my pair of scissors and snip where need be. Because yeah, this one does require a lot of snipping because these ends are just pew, 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 pew. Now I'm using a paddle brush. Yeah. Cover up my edges, yeah. Postpartum hair loss. So basically, this is it. I'll be doing some more snipping after I've looked in the mirror in the bathroom and seen the back. And I must say, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. You can leave a like, you can subscribe to this channel if you may. I would appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.